Hello and welcome to TV Buying Guide, your go-to destination for the latest insight into the world of televisions. Today we'll talk about the differences between Sony XR90 or Bravia 9 and X95L. When we talk about Sony's 2024 TV lineup, we can find Sony XR90 or Bravia 9 introduced as the top 4K LED TV series from Sony's 2024 TV lineup, while Sony X95L was released as the top 4K LED TV series from Sony's 2023 TV lineup, so we can call Sony XR90 or Bravia 9 as the successor of Sony X95L. Sony XR90 or Bravia 9 is offered in three screen size options: 85-inch, 75-inch, and 65-inch, while Sony X95L is only offered in 85-inch screen size option. What improvement can be found in Sony XR90 or Bravia 9 as the successor of Sony X95L? It is important to know more about the differences between Sony XR90 and X95L before we can find out what improvement can be found in Sony XR90. There are few differences between Sony XR90 or Bravia 9 and X95L. Let's talk more about their differences together. The first difference between Sony XR90 and X95L comes from their XR Contrast Booster version. Sony XR90 comes with XR Contrast Booster 30, while Sony X95L comes with XR Contrast Booster 20. XR Contrast Booster 30 is the more advanced version that can deliver higher peak brightness for Sony XR90, so that we can enjoy greater contrast ratio on its screen. The second difference between Sony XR90 and X95L comes from the more advanced ULED technology integrated with Sony XR90. ULED technology is able to deliver better color accuracy and details on the screen of Sony XR90, although Sony X95L is indeed already able to deliver wide color gamut. We can also find another difference between Sony XR90 and X95L in their built-in Wi-Fi. Sony XR90 comes with Wi-Fi 6, while Sony X95L comes with Wi-Fi 5. Wi-Fi 6 is the more advanced built-in Wi-Fi that can handle faster internet connection for Sony XR90. The next difference can be found in the remote control included with Sony XR90 and X95L. Sony XR90 comes with RMF TX920U remote, while Sony X95L comes with RMF TX810U. RMF TX920U is the remote control that comes with backlight, so that we can use it more conveniently in the darkroom condition. As the successor series, Sony XR90 is normally offered at a higher price than Sony X95L for a similar screen size option. To know the latest price difference between Sony XR90 and X95L, it is a good idea to check the price of those two TVs, as TV prices are changing over time. The difference of Sony XR90 or Bravia 9 and X95L can be summarized with this table. So what improvement can be found in Sony XR90 or Bravia 9? From our discussion about the differences of Sony XR90 or Bravia 9 and Sony X95L, we can find that the key improvement of Sony XR90 comes from its peak brightness with more advanced XR contrast booster version, that is XR Contrast Booster 30, and color quality with more advanced QLED technology. With XR Contrast Booster 30 and QLED technology, Sony XR90 or Bravia 9 is able to deliver higher peak brightness and richer, more accurate color details on its screen. Additionally, we can also find that Sony XR90 comes with mirror improvement in built-in Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi 6 that can handle faster internet connection and RMFTX920U remote control that can help us to control this TV more conveniently in the dark room condition with backlight integrated with it. But Sony XR90 or Bravia 9 is indeed offered at a higher price for similar screen size option, so we need to spend more if we decide to choose it. On the other hand, Sony X95L is basically a good alternative choice of Sony XR90 if it is still too expensive and you are looking for 85-inch screen size TV, as it is the only screen size available for Sony X95L. Sony X95L is basically still can deliver good contrast ratio, although its peak brightness is still lower than XR90. We can also find that Sony X95L is also able to deliver white color gamut for rich and accurate color details, although it is still less excellent than Sony XR90 with additional QLED technology. So if you have more limited budget and you are looking for 85-inch screen 4K LED TV as a close alternative of Sony XR90, then Sony X95L is a good choice for you. Thanks for watching us at TV Buying Guide and have a nice day there.